Alright, everybody, I'm back again. And hello as well. So, got an unboxing review for tonight. Let me show you. Yeah, oops. So, we got something a little different. I'm not doing any installations or anything, but unboxing review. This is one of the NS Heritage units, Pennsylvania Railroad. That scale train's just made about not too long ago. So, yeah. Sorry if I feel a little sick, but I got nothing else to do, so I'm just gonna do an unboxing review. So don't mind me, sniffling because I feel like I'm a little sick, but hey, not a big deal. But anyways, let's get on with the review. Okay, take out the box. Now this looks like an older run because the manual does not look like the newer run, but this is like the older style manual. So here's the unit itself. Pretty nice looking locomotive. Let's take it out if it's box. Let you guys get a full view of the engine itself. Anyways, let's take it out if it's ice cube packaging is what they call it. So this is it itself. Nothing too special, but this is a really nice locomotive. Oops. So very nice engine. Take the foam out of the handrails while I'm at it. Awesome. So, yeah. So I wasn't too bad to get out. Oops. Just don't want to mess up the handrail there. Yeah. So, pretty interesting unit. Most of you probably may have this locomotive. Scale trains that just made, but yeah, this is it. So, this was donated by a member at my railroad museum, but unfortunately, it's DCC ready. And with me knowing knowledge of modern locomotives, I know a lot about these locomotives. So, yeah. But anyways, this locomotive itself has no decoder, no speaker. So the speaker installation is pretty easy. Under the frame of the locomotive, you can actually put a speaker under the frame of the locomotive, or there's a weight where there we go, where the radiator is. This thing right here, there's a weight once you take the shell off, so not a big deal. But yeah, recently Scale Trains just released their CSX heritage units, so that's a step up. And for the game, for those who want to buy them or Norfolk Southern's heritage units, but personally, I like Norfolk Southern's, but CSXs, they're pretty good, but fortunately, some rail fans are like, oh, we don't like them because of the fade and all that, or they just didn't paint the whole locomotive. So, but Norfolk Southern, does the complete opposite. They paint their actual like locomotive to its uh, predecessor railroad heritage scheme. So hey, can't complain one way or another. But anyways, this is right here, not too much. Um. Also, I'm using my iPad this time. I got a new iPad for Christmas, so I'm technically using it. So it's got the bell and everything. Got hold on. Digital lights front. And you got the back digital lights. So, anyways, I'm gonna put this back and deal with it tomorrow. I'm gonna take out these. I'm gonna leave the foam protectors for the handrails of the locomotive out, so no, not gonna put those back in. And there's really no point, but you know. But like I said about this engine, this is actually not my engine. This is a locomotive that was donated to the club from one of our members. So oh, this is a manual. I guess I'll open it up if anyone wants to see it. Usually I don't really like doing on like a review or anything. I just when I like open up the manual. So, but I might as well do it this time. Nothing too special. It's all for the basic info. So, one thing I want to point out is ditch lights. So, if you got ditch lights, you know, CSX, Norfolk Southern, they're pretty good about their ditch lights because in real life they actually flash. Unlike the Western roads like UP, BNSF, the Canadians, or instance Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, now CPKC in Kansas City Southern. Yeah, so note in DC operation, digital lights will not flash for on the CSX and S models. So technically shows you about like the horn being blown and digital lights flash. So yeah, something like that. But anyways, so just so you know, I'm not going to show the functions. Maybe in my next video, I'll probably show the functions. So, nor the introduction either, because some of you probably already experienced what the skilled trains locomotives, how they work and all that. This is the like printing of the box. It says GES44. Skilled Trains website. It's a river counter, which means it's packed with details. So, also one thing to point out is the scale. So, if you're an HO modeler like me, this is what you need to get. Now, there's one model called N scale. It's a little bit smaller than a HO, but Scale Trains also makes N scale locomotives as well. So, and for any other manufacturer except for like MTH or line or O scale like Lionel. So, but yeah. Anyways, glad for y'all typing in, watching my videos. I haven't really posted since like a week ago, I think. Can't remember, but yeah. Uh, anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot. Appreciate for all of you joining, typing in, watching my videos. I try to make videos as soon as possible, but sometimes it's hard to. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.